Part 2 of 2. Now that we have the basic idea of sorting by single columns, let's learn how to sort by multiple levels. Let's go back to organizing the data by score. Sort, creativity score, values, largest to smallest. Notice that Jacob has the highest score out of both the extrinsic and intrinsic group. But now I don't just want to see the highest score out of both groups. I want to see the highest score out of first the intrinsic group and then out of the extrinsic group. So now I want to sort by creativity group. Then you see this button that says add level. This adds another level. Now you want to sort then by creativity score. Now this allows me to see who scored the highest out of each group. We can see that Jacob Marshall scored the highest out of the intrinsic group, and Harris Todd scored the highest out of the extrinsic group. Having them sorted by creativity group lets me see specific trends among each group. Now notice how the extrinsic group consists of people who are majoring in science, engineering, or business, and the highest score comes from a person who is majoring in art. And most of the people in the intrinsic group, which scored significantly higher, are mostly English or creative writing majors. Let's take sorting our last name and first name to another level. We can sort columns within columns. First by creativity group, then by last name, then by first name. The creativity group chosen as the first level. And then I'll add another level, last name, from A to Z. Then by first name. Notice how the subjects are arranged according to their creativity group. Notice how the subjects are also alphabetically ordered by their last name. Furthermore, if the subjects have the same last name, they have been alphabetized further by their first name. For example, if you take a closer look at Davidson, notice how all the people with the last name Davidson are also alphabetized by their first name too, from Andy to Zach. The same occurs with Smith and Summers. Now I can do a few more examples that require multiple levels. I would like to see if there's any correlation between gender and creativity score. Click Sort by Gender. Next, Values, A to Z. This option would allow me to make the females come first or the males come first. Then by Creativity Score, Values, largest to smallest. Now I can see the range of creativity scores among the males and females. Surprisingly, the males have the top two scores for being creative. However, the general scores of the male range from 5 to 29.7, where the females have a range of the minimum value is 12. Now I have demonstrated how to sort data individually and by multiple levels.